Hi guys, this is the Affiliate Hustler back again with a new video, and in today's video I want to show you how you can start making money by collecting emails. And this way you may know it traditionally as CPA marketing. You may search and may have researched by yourself on what CPA marketing is, but this video will be all about how you can start making money by just CPL, which is cost per lead, by just bringing emails of the vendor to the owner of a product, and you will be getting paid just for providing emails as an affiliate. Yes, so you are not going to be paid for a sale. In this case, you are going to be paid for collecting emails. Yes. Now, before we jump into the video, if you want more affiliate marketing ideas, more make money online ideas, and obviously how to succeed online, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon, and obviously make sure to stay until the end, because I will detail you how you can start doing this even before the video. Yes, so if you want, obviously you won't watch until the end, you won't know how the specific method I'm using to make this work. As you can see in the screen, I made $22.40 with Max Bounty itself. Yes. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. So let's get into the video, guys. So let me briefly explain what CPA marketing is. Obviously, if you already know what CPA marketing is, skip this part. Just when I explain how you can start profiting with CPA marketing. CPA marketing stands for cost per action marketing. Yes, cost per action is that you will be paid as an affiliate for a specific action that happens when you bring traffic to that offer. Yes, so the CPA could be a sale, it could be an email opt-in, it could be a credit card opt-in, so when they put their credit card, if they make 2 sales. So it's very specific, and it is specified by the vendor that obviously is going to tell you what the CPA is. Yes, for example, as you can see, Airbnb pays you $80 per booking. The CPA is the booking. Yes, the cost per action in this case specified is the booking. Yes, so Airbnb is a good affiliate for Max Bounty. Yes. Now the thing with Max Bounty is that they don't accept everyone, and that's because they have like this submission that you will have to make to apply for Max Bounty, and this will be like an interview where they will call you via phone. They don't accept to call you via Skype or any other medium. So you will be called by your manager. In this case, I was called by Jordan Higley, and he will ask you questions related to your knowledge about affiliate marketing. Now, don't worry, if you don't get accepted to Max Bounty, there are thousands and thousands of other options. One of my other favorites, other than Max Bounty, is called Bing Bang Ads, and it's a very good CPA network for those of you guys who are, for example, in India, in the Philippines, and I know I have a lot of subscribers from that type of area. So you can check out this affiliate network. And the other one is called Affiliax with an X, Affiliax. And another one that I also know is called CPA Grip. CPA Grip, it's a content locking affiliate network. Means that you, in order to get a commission, they will lock the download. So you may have seen this, but they will lock the download, and in order to unlock the download, they will ask you to enter your email, complete a phone submission, or just to answer a survey, and then they will allow you to download that given stuff. That is content locking. You can check out, you can research more into that, but it's very self-explanatory. This is a content logging affiliate network and also a CPA network. And well, this is Affiliax. This is Affiliax, and well, are all the options you have for in case you don't get accepted to Max Bounty. Now, in order to obviously search for campaigns for CPA for getting paid for email submissions, yes, for collecting emails, you will need to go to search to the top section where it says search campaigns, and you will have to go to search options. And don't worry, this can be a bit overwhelming, but don't panic. Yes, these are the traffic types. So this is the traffic, the ad network or the traffic source you will be using to get email submissions to the offer or traffic to the offer. Email, contextual, display, search is Google. Incentive is I don't know what is incentive. Social media, native is native advertising. Mobile is push ads, push advertising. And in this case, we are going to use free traffic with this method. So we are going to put social media and search. So only social media. And we are going to put any type of cut or any type of vertical. Vertical means the niche that the offer is in. And the CPA type, this is where you will have to put cost per lead. Yes, and you will click on search. And Max Bounty will list thousands of offers you can start doing for getting paid for every lead. Now, yes, don't just go choose an offer right away and start promoting any type of offer that pays you gigantic amounts of money per lead. So offers to be aware of. Yes, these offers are the ones that pay you high amounts of money per lead. So a good rule of thumb that I always use with Max Bounty and any type of CPA network is that if they pay you more than $10 per lead, don't even bother promoting that offer, because the EPC, the earnings per clicks, meaning that the earnings you will get per every click that you get to the offer, yes, will be very high. So if you look in detail to this offer, for example, which pays you for every lead $131, the EPC is $1.11. Now, this means that in order to get a sale or to get a lead, you will have to pay for every click at least $1.11 or below that. Yes, but you will have to pay that much amount in order to get a lead for this offer. So you will, if you do the math, you'll notice that you will pay insane amounts of money for traffic without knowing if you are going to get leads. Yes, so this is an estimated statistic that tells you how much you should be paying for each click. This is why I am saying you stayed away from offers that pay you per lead, above $10. Yes, from offers that pay you per lead insane amounts of money. Yes, so and obviously when they offer per lead more than $10, that it means that offer also it's very hard to promote. Yes, so a good offer would be like this one, which pays you $2 per lead, and it's a double opt-in. Double opt-in means that they will first will have to enter their email, and then they will have to enter another information again. But a good rule of thumb that I will give you is to type SOI, which means single opt-in, and you will be paid for every for every single opt-in. So it means that once they enter the email, you will be getting paid for every opt-in to that email. So you will have to wait for this prospect to enter their email and then enter other information again for you to get paid. Once they enter the email, you will be getting paid these amounts. But as you can see, they pay you per lead lower amounts because they know that it's easier to get with a single opt-in prospect. So it's a very easier task. So I would choose an offer, and what I would do is I would go to, for example, Quora or for free traffic or Pinterest or Facebook groups, and I would start promoting these offers. Yes. Now, a good rule of thumb just so as to not look spammy, and because Quora and Facebook and Pinterest do not allow affiliate links, what I would do is I would go to a funnel building software like ClickFunnels. I use GetResponse because I think it's very underrated and it's very cheap, and it offers a 30-day free trial. You can check it out in the link in the description. I will go to create a landing page. In this case, I will show you, I will go to create a landing page. I will create a landing page, yes, and I would say something. I will show you, for example, a landing page that I made for a product. So I will create a landing page. A landing page is like it's the previous website you will show to the prospect before they get into the offers website, yes, and I will just sell them the offer, and obviously put something like click here to, for example, I don't know, to win a $200 gift card from 7-Eleven, yes. For example, this is in the sweepstakes vertical, so it's like the price, the niche where they can earn prizes for free. Yes, it's like the lottery niche. Sweepstakes is like that type of niche. So I would do something like win a 100 Woolworth gift card landing page with GetResponse. You have thousands of templates and they host the page, so you don't have to pay for a domain. I will do a landing page saying, hey, you have won a $200 gift card, claim your reward, and when they click on that button which says claim your reward, they will be redirected to your affiliate link. So in this case, let's choose the offer. Yes, and you will click on build tracking link, and you will have to select the type of traffic you will be sending, in this case social, and you will click raw link, and you will copy this link, and you will obviously in the button that says show me how to claim my 7-Eleven gift cards, you will put this affiliate link. I won't be doing a landing page because it's a very tedious task. It's just for demonstration purposes, but you will build a landing page. You have to be creative, obviously, and obviously you will go to Quora and you will find answers, and you will search for questions like, and I will go for example to the topic 7-Eleven, and I will just write an answer for these questions on the topic 7-Eleven, and I would write, for example, an answer with 5 paragraphs. I know that's a lot, but Quora doesn't like you to spam your affiliate links, and I always have this rule of thumb for Quora. For every two answers that you give, you will give 2 answers without any link or affiliate link, and then you will answer an answer with an affiliate link. So it's 2 answers without the link compared to 1 answer with a link. So obviously Quora doesn't suspect that you are spamming your affiliate link or that you are promoting any offer. Yes, because you're not spamming, you're obviously bringing traffic to the offer. But this is a free way. It's a question answer platform that will really help you. And obviously, well, you just are interacting with the platform. And another way is with Pinterest. You can create pins and for example, go to group boards, or go to I will leave the video on my description on the upper right corner showing you how you can get traffic with Pinterest. But basically you can create a pin and share it on Tailwind Tribes, and that's also free traffic. And also you can use Facebook groups, but obviously always promote the landing page that you're going to create with ClickFunnels, GetResponse, yada yada. You get the gist. You just use the funnel building software that you like. Yes, so guys, hope this video was not that redundant, and it was it was clear on how you can start making money. And if you like the video, please comment in the section below what you think, like it on it, and guys, I will see you till next video.